Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome children to Science Year 4 Week 14 Lesson Part 1. Before we start our lesson, we shall recite Dua Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. So our next lesson would be still theme energy and forces. We are talking about heat energy, heat gain and heat loss. Now we did learn about heat energy. There are a few ways how we can get heat energy. The first way is, please remember, we can get heat energy from the sun. Sun is our main source of energy. Now remember, source of energy number one, the sun. The second way is, what is the source of energy? We can get heat energy from electricity like oven. You can put food in the oven and cook it, and you can turn it on, you can get heat. Or rice cooker or electric kettle. That's the second way. The first is the sun, source of energy. Second, electricity. We can get heat energy too from electricity. The third one is, remember, source of energy, sun, electricity. Source of heat energy, sun, electricity, burning fuel. Now fuel, example of fuel would be coal. What else? Candle. What else? Wood. These are examples of fuels. Now when we burn fuels, what happen is they give out heat energy. Okay, the next one is sun, electricity, burning fuel, and friction. Now remember, when you rub your hands, or two woods, when you rub wood like that, you can make heat energy. You can make fire. It become hot. Doesn't have to be fire, but it become hot. So when you rub your hands, it can become hot. When you rub two woods, it can become hot. So that is a source of heat energy. Now we shall learn about heat gain and heat loss. What is heat gain? Describe heat gain and heat loss. So what is heat gain? Let's see this one. There's a picture of a cooking pot on a stove. Yes, heat energy. Where's the heat energy? Yes, here. When you burn fuel, here, gas is fuel. When you burn it, it will give out heat energy. And what happened? The water becomes hot. Now let's check. Let's say H is heat energy. Let's say burning fuel produce a lot of heat energy. Yes, of course, when you burn fuel, it become hot. A lot of heat energy. That is heat energy. Example, a lot of heat energy. Now what happened is water becomes hot. How come? Because heat energy, see, water becomes hot, temperature increase, because now temperature increasing, because heat energy transferred from the bottom to the water inside the pot. That's heat energy. Heat gain. This is called heat gain. The water gain heat. They gets heat. Next, now that's one, heat gain. Now remember, heat gain when an object gets warmer or hotter, like this example. The water becomes warmer or hotter. It is called heat gain. 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 Heat loss. Loss means losing. Loss. You lost to something. You lost your cat, example. Now let's say a cup of hot coffee is placed on a table. Now your father or you want to drink coffee or tea for breakfast. It is hot, so you cannot drink it. So you put on the table, and what happened is the hot coffee slowly becomes cool. After a while, it's not that hot anymore. So what happened? Temperature decreases. Temperature of the coffee decreased. Ding, ding. And it's not that hot anymore. It becomes cool. So this is called heat loss. When heat in an object, or here coffee, it lose heat, something like that. It loses heat from the coffee, and it is called heat loss. The coffee becomes cool. No more heat. The heat is gone. Lose somewhere. Last thing. Now next. Cold soda in hot water. Heat loss or heat gain? This is hot water. Imagine this is hot water. And we put a can of cold soda. Cold from the fridge. What happened here? Is it heat loss or heat gain? And last thing. So, cold soda. This is hot, remember? This is hot water. This is cold soda. Cold soda becomes warm. Not that cold anymore. It becomes warm. Why? Because you put it in a bowl of hot water. So it's heat gain. Cold soda becomes warm. It gets heat. It gain heat. So you call that heat gain. Hot water becomes cool. The water in this bowl, when you put cold soda, it becomes cool. The heat moves to the cold soda, and that is called heat loss. Now it's simple actually. When you gain heat, when it becomes warmer, it heat gain. It means heat gain. When you lose heat, when things becomes colder, you heat loss. Becomes warmer, heat gains. You lose heat, heat loss. Very simple. Now let's check again. House under the sun, heat loss or heat gain? Now look here. In the morning, this is your house, example of your house. And what happened here? The house, inside the house becomes warmer. Now it doesn't have to be inside the house only. Maybe in your car, in the car. What happened is house becomes warm. Heat gain. Now everything, the walls, the ceiling, the inside of the house becomes warm. We gain heat because sun is our main source of heat energy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates. We shall have the lesson part 2. Remember, this is very easy. Heat gain when you get more heat, when you become warm, or when you become hot. When an object becomes hot, heat gain. When an object becomes cool, heat loss. We lose heat. Okay. We shall see you in part 2, Science Year 4, Week 14. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.